It's a cold morning, so they're all sort of snuggled and tucked in. I wonder if this is where they sleep at night. I've been wondering where they sleep at night. Maybe I'll have to come back and check in the evening sometime. Makes sense? Find a place on shore, it's dry. Tuck your head under your wing. See the guy on the right? Gal? Guy? I don't know. Life is good. Nice speck of blue there. I never would know. More like purple, actually. We're all lined up. Great blue heron, grebe. It's the place to be. There's a bird. Plane. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Superman. Superman. Oh, there you are. It's popped up out of nowhere. It's another bird. All kinds of birds today. You are striking. Oh my gosh, what a cutie pie. Everybody diving. Question of the day is, how far does a bird travel when he dives underneath to fish? There you are. Where's the other guy? There you are. Creeps. Trying for the sun, but the sun's not cooperating. A little bit overcast today. In recognition of those who have gone before us. So many birds, too many for this little board, and a mess of American coots. Let's see if we can count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At least 30. So I would say at least 40 here on this area. Yep. $17 up here. Yeah, 17.